present here today. Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aisha Numan. I am from Umarpura Public School, Nursery Brahmumya Colony, and I study in class 5C. Today I am standing here to represent my project topic IR sensor based smart parking in vehicle counter system with Arduino. Our project title is Smart Vehicle Counter Project is designed to monitor and designed to manage parking spaces efficiently using Arduino, 2 IR sensors, a servo motor, and an LCD display. This project helps in managing parking spaces efficiently and provides real-time vehicle data. The Smart Vehicle Counter project is designed to monitor the number of vehicles entering and exiting the parking area or premises. It uses an Arduino along with IR sensors to count the number of vehicles and display the current status on an LCD screen. This project helps in managing parking spaces efficiently and provides real-time vehicle data. The working procedure of Arduino. IR sensor 1 detects the vehicle entering the parking area. If space is available, the servo motor rotates 90 degrees to open the gate, and after the vehicle enters, it automatically closes. IR sensor 2 detects the vehicle exiting the parking lot and updates the slot count. The LCD display continuously shows the number of available parking slots in real time. Once all slots are filled, the entry gate will remain open until the vehicle exits. The main objective of our project is to design a system that provides real-time parking status, reduces human effort, and improve vehicle management efficiency. Advantages: automated gate operation reduces need for a gatekeeper, real-time slot availability, help avoid congestion, save time, and support smart city infrastructure, easy to install and cost-effective. Now I would like to call my class fellow to tell you about the main components of our project. Thank you for giving me this presentation.
Honorable Judges, teachers, guests, and my dear friends, good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Myself is Fatima and I study in class 5 from Umarpura Public School, Nursery Brahmumya Colony. Today, I stand before you to speak about the components of smart parking system. Arduino, ultrasonic sensors, servo motor, jumper wires, and breadboard. How it works: when a car comes close, the sensor detects it. The sensor sends the information to the Arduino. Future scope of smart parking system: mobile app, free slot booking, data for improved management, better security with sensors and cameras, contact-led digital payment, application of smart parking system. Shopping mall and plazas, university and school, business center and offices, hospital and residential apartment, hotel and restaurant, stadium and event venues, business center and offices. Purpose of the project: to avoid traffic jam inside parking areas, to make parking more organized and modern. This is all about my